Today we're going to play Squishy Tower and don't mind the people who's fighting outside because those are my neighbors who's fighting. Back to the video. In this in this Squishy Tower is super satisfying and we're gonna try Squishy Towers and see how satisfying they are. What the heck is this? Big cheese squishy. Why are they using more avatars? Anyway, let's go build ourselves to the tower. As you can see, I already built myself right up there. Um, this over there. Oh, wait, no. See that cuber day over there? I just never mind. Let's build our tower. Let's build up this tower. Oh my god, this is so. Let's build. Okay, ooh, piggies. Guys, like and subscribe and tell me what's your favorite and because I'm going to die because of this laser. Like touch it. And oh my gosh. Okay, back to where I build. So as you can see guys, I build up over here and let's go even further than that. My gosh, I'm lagging. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And oh, oh my gosh, look at my health. Okay. Guys, my bad skill. We're in the light blue. It will, before we were at, I don't know what the heck is that. I think it's purple or pink. It has to be, I mean purple. Oh my gosh, this is really long in these middle towers. The wax. I love the wax thing because oh, what's this? I don't want to join your community. Never mind, I'm just gonna join your community. Ooh, so guys, what's comment in the video and show us what's your favorite color? Cause mine is red. Definitely mine is red. Oh my gosh. Oh, big. What's your favorite animal, guys? Also, you can just reply to your own comment. Reply to your own comment with your favorite animal. Oh yeah. My by the way, my favorite animal is cat. But I only have a pet fish. I have a cat. I have a pet fish. Scared about a lizard. I'm scared of lizards. Okay, we made it to green. I think this is just normal green. I don't think this is light green. I'm gonna I'm gonna make you take your time to listen. Oh my God. How satisfying was that, guys? Ooh, what's this? Hope I get red. Okay, hate yellow. Okay, isn't my favorite color, bro, but it's close to red, to orange, and orange is close to red. So that make that make sense. Let's make that make sense. Yes. Ah, you seen me right, right. Enough playing, enough playing. Oh my god. Wait, what's this? Oh, it returns it. As I was saying, it returns you back with the thing it doesn't need Robux. Because I don't have enough Robux. I spent all of it in my avatar. I spent all of my Robux on my avatar, but I only one Robux now. Yeah, one Robux. How many Robux do you have? Like if you have 1,000, comment, subscribe if you have. Ooh, this is super satisfying. I wish they were saying. I wish they were waxified because I love the wax thing and I don't like it. No, I really like the wax. Well, guys, bananas, 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 bananas. I know you're going bananas. I know you're going bananas. Actually, you're not going bananas. If you're going bananas, subscribe. If you're going banana, if you're going bananas, comment. And if you subscribe, you have no Robux. Oh, cheese is fine, guys, but I don't like it. I don't like cheese. Okay, let's go. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Oh my God, this is let's go over here. And let's wait for the guys. Okay. I might have to take a risk. Ugh. Oh, look at my HP. Look at my health bar. Guys, I have to. I have to go back in this hard. I gotta pause till I'm gone. Till I go back. Okay, I'm pausing. Pausing the video. Pausing the video. I have to pause because of this whole thing. And oh, ooh. Hold on, let me try. Real quick. Okay. That makes me wanna move. Oh, gosh, this is so sad. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Hi guys. I did all the hard work and I didn't know that I didn't even pause my video. I got this by the way. The wax butter. Guys, what kind of ASMR do you like? Like for the wax butter or subscribe to the normal butter. Gummy bear. I like it when I like when the gummy bears sounds like the game opening. This is so hard. Let's so guys, I did it off camera because it was so hard. But I like the gummy bear sounds like you're opening a door. Anyway, let's move on. Ooh, slime. Slime doesn't sound like something. It sounds like paper. Oh my god. Oh my god. How am I supposed to do this? When it's that wait, no, I can do it. Ooh, don't. Can I please get a rare? Can I please get a red? I hate my day. I hate my day. I don't have any luck. I don't have any luck. Oh, oh. I don't have any luck. Okay, let's just. Oh my gosh. And why? That's why it's so hard because I'm lagging with. Literally, I hate my phone because I'm lagging. I hate my phone because of the lag. Oh my gosh. And guys, the, do you know about that sad kid in heaven account? Yeah, that was me. And we're going to post something in the sad kid in heaven account. So make sure you search up sad kid in heaven so you get to see some something I post in the sad kid in heaven account. And I will be posting a video that is going to be a face reveal, not really a face reveal, but it's not really a face reveal. But I'm going to make my IRL. I'm going to make my IRL self, and I'm gonna, you know, search up the short, I mean the pants and the shirt that I'm wearing in IRL. So make sure to keep tuned in the video. So let's go back. I really thought that was a checkpoint. And let's go. Instantly. Wait, 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 what? It did nothing. Hold on, let me die. My freaking internet. I hate my life so much. I hate it. I hate it. My life so much. I hate it. Okay? I hate my life. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're finally back. So disconnected. And the next, I don't think I wanna go back, go build to this, cause it's super satisfying. But I kind of keep falling, so I'm gonna rate this a 6 out of 10. I forgot to tell you that we're rating every tower. So the next tower is And the next tower is Tower of Sound. And the oh my gosh, I'm lagging again. I hate when I'm lagging because I get rage quitted and I hit my phone because I always get rage quitted because of the lag. Alright, the next tower is Tower of Sounds. And this sound is pretty much like the same, but it's Tower of Sounds, not Tower of Needles. I'm gonna. Okay, let's get started. Don't forget that we're rating every tower. And okay, the same as double lap, and I just fall there. That's why I think lagging. If I fall. Oh, big one. I used to play on this when my mom ordered something and get bubble wrap around the package, and I used to play with finally lag is gone. I hate when I lag. Oh, what just happened? Oh yeah, even the bubble wrap cannot be played. Why aren't they stopping? Oh my gosh, I lagged again. Whoa, that was so satisfying. I hate that guy. I hate that guy. Now I'm back to this stupid thing. Hate. I hate him. I hate. I hate the lag too. I hate the lag too. Girl, stop. I want you to go away so you won't really good girl. That was back when I called her good girl. Let's just listen to these sounds. Why is my volume so? Volume is okay. I don't know why is it. I don't know why is it. Yeah, no. I don't know. Oh yeah. Now we're up to the keyboard. You know what is a keyboard? It is a keyboard and it controls you when you play Roblox. Oh, what's this? Oh, one life. Why am I not getting my one life? If you're a PC user, you might know what's a keyboard. And a mouse, you might know what's a mouse too. If you're a PC user, I know, but I still try the PC. I try a PC. It's a gaming thing. Yeah, Just never mind. You guys think I should shut up so I will not fall. Okay, we should shut up and let you hear the satisfying sounds. If the owner is watching this, your game is probably so satisfying. Only for the owner, okay? Only for the owner. Now, I'll let you come back to listening the satisfying. You know, throw somebody. No, I can't throw somebody because there's no one in this level. Ooh, take one. Okay, this is the thing that has been invading me. The balls. You might thinking that was a just thing to say, but you're just hallucinating. I wasn't saying that. Oh, hold on, let's do it. Oh my gosh, we need to do this. I thought I was going to die. Oh my gosh. Hey, keyboards. Camera. Cool. What is even this? It's it. I don't know what the heck was that. That was the worst thing ever. That was the worst thing to eat in the game. I wish they would give me one more. Wait, one win? Ooh, one win. I've played this game before, guys, and I get raid baiting by these balls. With the first balls. The normal one. Get raid baiting by this. Once I had a channel, but I got banned. And now I can. Now I know because of these things. I wanna. Come on, why is this? Why is the keyboard so low? Do they want? Do they want me to rage? Do you guys want me to rage? Second, why am I back over here? Gosh. Hey guys, time for your satisfaction. I'm giving the keyboard. I'm giving the keyboard 5 out of 10, and the bubble wrap 10 out of 10. And I am not rating the tower yet. Okay, guys, I'm not rating the tower yet. And let's go. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I will. Do I risk it or not? Oh, never mind. Okay, we're almost to the. Wait, where is that thing? It's not out. Oh yeah, the net. Oh my gosh. Oh, water drops. This is so satisfying. Hold on, guys. Let me get my headset real quick. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I got my headset on. Go, 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 go. I don't really want to lose a heart, so let's go. Coconut. You can be kidding me. You are kidding me. For a second, my clothes disappeared. For a second, my clothes disappeared. I hear. I think I heard somebody die. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh, so satisfying. If I die one more time, I lose. Stupid disappearing. This stupid girl. Hey, girly pop. Girly pop. Hey, girly. Hey, girl. I should shut up. Do I wanna die? Well, time to die. Whee! Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. That's it. I'm gonna rate this tower. Let me think. Let me think. 4 out of 10. I wish the lives was infinite cause I'm now back at this poopy keyboard. Up next is would you rather ASMR tower. Oh my gosh. Already so satisfying. I think there's a ladder over here. Yeah, there's a ladder. Oh my gosh. I'll be careful cause I think somebody has a slap. No, I don't have Robux for that. I mean this. Oh, money. I got the default. And let's go. I don't see any would you rathers yet. Where the heck is the would you rathers? Listen closely, guys. Listen closely. Can I have a would you rather now? Wait a second. Oh my gosh. Vanilla or chocolate? Pick, guys, pick. I'm gonna pick the vanilla. Listen, guys, listen. I want you to listen. I want you to listen, guys. For those who has a rough day, and that was the satisfying thing I ever heard. Well, that's it, guys. If you made it this far and if you want more, click in the video that just pop up in your screen. Bye.